Hey everyone, this is Craig Cohagen, sales manager right here at Permian Ford. I just wanted to take a moment and thank you so much for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions about anything you see, please give us a call at the number you see below. Thank you and have a great day.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include remote start, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, pedestrian alert system, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings.
Take a ride in the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-sized luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, rear wiper, navigation system, heated seats, heated steering wheel, satellite radio, dual zone climate control, low tire pressure warning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.